Hello friends! Welcome to your own channel, Learning with Fun. Before the exciting video starts, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications for more fun-filled and learning videos. Today, let's learn about cooking words. It's so much fun to learn and explore new words related to cooking and food. So, let's start. Boil. Pour. Slice. Bake. Grill. Fry. Peel. Simmer. Mix. I hope you learned so many new words today. Cooking is not just about making food, it's also about using the right words to describe what you do in the kitchen. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational videos. Bye bye, friends. See you next time.